Good morning, everyone, and welcome to VEDA Day 14 here on VLOGALATTE. Do you hear that? Sounds like a phone buzzing, right? Well, my phone, should have been prepared for this, is right here. I know, I have a dinosaur phone, I know. It's only in my room. I think I'm determined that it's somebody's alarm because it stopped for a while and then came on for like a couple of seconds and then stopped again and now it's back on. So I think it's somebody's alarm, but it sounds like it's coming from that side. And there's nobody on that side of us. No one. We're the first apartment on this side. I mean, there's my living room. But you can't hear it in the living room. Is somebody's alarm going off in the wall? What is happening? This is really weird. And also it woke me up at 6:30 in the morning when I stayed up late last night. And I just want to go back to sleep. And this stupid buzzing really freaking bothering me. Ah, it stopped. And it sounds like I hear somebody getting up. So I don't understand. I don't understand. This is the mystery of my life. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Goodbye.